Alright, let's kick things off with an exciting tool that's gonna change the way you trade. We're talking about the Donchian Channel Pivot High-Low Indicator, created by the TradeGenius. Now you might be thinking, what's the point of this indicator? Well, my friend, you're in for a treat because this tool is insanely useful. You'll see exactly how it works in this video. So, first things first, fire up TradingView and load the 5-minute time frame of gold chart. But hey, don't feel limited by this, because you can actually use this indicator on any trading pair or time frame you like. The next step is to hop on over to the indicator section and type in Donchian Channel Pivot High-Low. You're looking for the one made by TradeGenius. Once you've got it, select it and boom. The Donchian Pivot High-Low indicator shows you the highest and lowest prices for any number of bars you choose. Plus, it'll print out when prices hit new highs and lows. But here's the kicker, we're gonna tweak some settings to make this indicator work even better for you. So first things first, head over to the indicator settings window and look for input section. There, we'll wanna change the pivot length right option to 7. And then set the pivot length left option to 3. Last but not least, change the Donchian channel length to 21. Now, let's jump into the Style tab. To clean up the view, we're gonna disable the top and bottom options. Then, let's make the midline stand out a bit more by adjusting its visibility. And finally, we'll turn off the high zone and low zone options. Alright, now that we've got the Donchian Channel Pivot High-Low indicator set up, let's take a closer look at what it does for us. This indicator is all about showing you the highs and lows on the chart, like the higher lows and higher highs, lower highs and lower lows. It's the real game changer, trust me. Plus, it plots a midline to help you visualize the price action even better. Now I know you're probably wondering how to actually use this indicator to make trades, right? Well, hold your horses. We'll need to add one more secret ingredient to our strategy to filter out those counter trend signals and keep you out of choppy markets. But before we do that, let me just say that here at TradeGenius, we've created over 300 free and profitable trading strategies. That's a whole lot of awesome content you're missing out on if you haven't subscribed yet. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button real quick, and then you'll get right back to the strategy. Alright, now that you're subscribed, let's talk about the magical 10 and 1 indicator. This baby combines 10 powerful indicators into one, so you can have all the info you need right at your fingertips. It's like having your own personal trading group guiding you through the markets. And it's super easy to find. Just search for 10 indicators and 1 in TradingView indicator library and you'll be good to go. Alright, so the 10 and 1 indicator is already pretty darn good, but guess what? We can make it even better. Here's what you need to do. Let's fine tune that 10 and 1 indicator and make it work seamlessly with our strategy. Start by opening the settings window and heading over to the input section. Here you'll want to enable bar color. And then change the EMA2 to 45. And EMA3 to 90. keep going and set the MACD fast moving average to 45 and a slow moving average to 90. Now, shift your focus to a style tab. To make sure our strategy runs smoothly, we'll need to disable the buy and sell options as well as pivot option. Don't worry, these adjustments will make it easier for us to concentrate on the essential indicators. So, you wanna know how to trade with this strategy? Huh? I gotta tell ya, it's super simple but really effective. First, find a higher high pivot point on the chart and draw a horizontal line. Next, keep an eye out for a bullish breakout above the higher high level. But hold on, we need to make sure this breakout signal is in line with the trend and has enough momentum. That's where the 10 and 1 indicator comes into play. Check the indicator. If all the components are green, we've got ourselves a confirmation. So, with all conditions met, it's time to open that buy trade. Then, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low to minimize your risk. As for the target, aim for 1.5 times you're taking on the trade. And when it comes to selling with this strategy, the rules are basically the same but in reverse. First, locate a lower low pivot point on the chart and draw a horizontal line right there. Then, be on the look for a bearish breakout below the level. Once you see it happening, quickly check the 10 and 1 indicator. If all components are red, it's time to make your move. So go ahead and enter the sell trade. Next, set your stop loss just above the recent swing high to keep your risk in check. As for the target, aim for 1.5 times the risk you're taking on the trade, ensuring a solid reward for your strategic sell. Alright, that's all for now folks. I hope this strategy helped you make some smart moves in the market. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, I highly recommend checking out the one on your screen right now. It's packed with more valuable tips and tricks to help you become a savvy trader. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy trading.